Colorado, it's a wild ride, bringing life to dreams with pride. In the garage we work day and night, turning old rust into something bright. Engines are roaring loud and clear, every car's story brings a tear. From distant memories to the present day, we pave the roads in our own way. Feel the wind in your hair, sunshine on your face. Every restoration to a perfect place. Driven by passion, feel the drive, thrive. At Bluewater, your dreams come alive. Dashboard lights and chrome so sleek, every detail, every little tweak. We turn the wrench, we make it spin, breathing life to steel and skin. Feel the wind in your hair, sunshine on your face. Every restoration to a perfect place. Driven by passion, feel the drive, thrive. At Bluewater, your dreams come alive. From barn finds to showroom shine, every piece with love designed. Nothing's too far or too worn out, we bring new life without a doubt. Feel the wind in your hair, sunshine on your face. Every restoration to a perfect place. Driven by passion, feel the drive, thrive. At Bluewater Auto, your dreams come alive. Barn finds to showroom shine, every piece with love designed. Nothing's too far or too worn out, we bring new life without a doubt.